Hello everybody, today we are going to speak about how to create your own film or short film just in few minutes. How to create free environment and how to add your character and how to add your animation and facial animation and motion capture and how to create nice environment from A to Z. How to render this nice movie to make nice short film. So before we start, don't forget to subscribe for my channel and like for my video, and let's get started. First of all, we are going to speak about how to create this environment. You can see in Kit Bash 3D. So in Kit Bash 3D you will see a lot of assets. You can find it here. You can download some of them for free, and you can download it just with a cheap modeling. You can create and download some of them at your Unreal Engine. After that you can add them. So here I have a lot of assets. For example, something like that. You can add any model as you like, an environment like that. So we have this one. We can increase our camera. For example, if you want to add assets here, and now we are going to add our character to this sequence, for example. And about character, we have a lot of you can insert it from iClone or MetaHuman, and for free just you can go to MetaHuman Coaxial Bridge, and we have a lot of free assets. You can download them from here, from this place. A huge library. You can download anyone from them, and just you need to drag and drop for free it at your sequence, for example, something like that. Okay, and you can, if you want to add any kind of assets, a huge library you can. So now I'm going to speak about MetaHuman character. Maybe you can create your own character, or you can download one of huge library like that. So all of them for free. Okay, look, all of them. Just you need to download one of them. Okay, make like that, download, and add it to your project. Or you can create some of like that special character, and I have a lot of tutorial how to create your own character and how to add and remove, and just in 5 minutes you can create your own character with all details. So I add this wall from Coaxial Bridge, and you can search for any palm, or you can add grass. So just I have a lot of tutorial like explain how to add models to your sequence and how to create all of them. Just drag and drop, and you have sequence now. So now I add our character, MetaHuman character. Just you need to drag and drop your character. We create sequence. Look here, for example, you can create folder and sequence, cinematic, level sequence, test. Okay, you can add your character here, add actor, and add it here. So now this is our character, and all of this control you can play with your animation. Just, and if you need to create your own animation, or you can download a lot of free mocap from internet. You can search it in marketplace, or you can download it from Miximo. Miximo have a lot of animation. You can download it. So you can download any kind of animation, and you can just insert this animation to Unreal. And also I have a lot of tutorial how to insert any animation like that from Miximo and add it to your MetaHuman character. All of them just you need to 10 minutes, and you add any animation. You have a huge library with a big nice animation. So you can choose your animation from Maximo for free, and you can add it to MetaHuman character. Now we have this is MetaHuman character. After I have cinematic sequence like that, we need to delete all of those control rig, and we can choose any animation, for example walk. Okay, nice. So you can, we are here. So now for example you can add your animation, and this is timeline 100, for example. You can increase your timeline and repeat your animation like that. So this is our animation. Nice. After that, now we don't have any animation in our face. Look here. 2 3 for we can control speed for your camera from here. Now this is our animation. Look, but there is nothing here, any animation to your face, just movie from just animation is coming from body. About facial animation, just you need to create your voice at Adobe Audition. You can add it at any free program or iPhone or anything. Just you can insert your voice at audio to face program. Amazing program. Just after that we have nice and short facial animation. After that, all what you need to do now, just you need to insert your audio face to Unreal Engine. Just drag and drop, and you can choose your animation. So now I have a lot of animation. We can from here we can choose our any animation, for example something like that. Okay, now look, if you look here for face, now we can insert our camera and play with our camera, seeing camera, play with details. We can add your blur. Okay, now here, so this is our character. Okay, this is, so we can play with, okay, like that. Nice. Okay, and make animation for your camera like that. Okay, from here we can choose transform, and where is our camera? Okay, now make sure here, nice. Now we are here. Okay, so we don't need this now. Okay, look, we can remove our camera like that. If you need to make zoom out like that. So we can make it and play with camera. So you can select your timeline. After that, this is our movie, and after that we can from here we can select 4K and 30 frames per second. You can choose your extension, XR, GPG, PNG, as you like. After that we can choose your location, for example desktop. and you can create your folder. After that, select folder and capture movie, and you can drink any cup of coffee or anything. Just after that you have your own video or short movie. So this is the end of our video today. If this is the first time at my channel, don't forget to subscribe for my channel and like for my videos. See you in the next video. Take care. Salam alaikum.